Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with the next TN kit, the newest TN kit, and I did do a setup so you guys can see what it looks like. Let me know if you guys want to see this. I feel like a lot of you guys like to see kind of how it's set up and then purchase the kit, so I could definitely do that in the future. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the setup after I show you the kit itself. So this is the kit for this month. We did add a bunch of things, and the next month kit, which will be based on the July mystery, which I'm so excited about, will be so amped up, so exciting. I will go ahead and leave the price point of this along with the release date down below. I am so excited. The only thing is because we're adding more items to this, the weight is going to be more, and even shipped in a bubble mailer, the international shipping is just going to be higher, and next month there's a lot more in it as well. I'm considering in the future doing some kind of mini kit type thing for international buyers, but it's just kind of unavoidable at this point. Whenever we're adding more things, it is going to weigh more. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is I'll be showing you the papers. So we are going to be changing our papers for next month, or next TN kit. There's a fly in here. It's that time of the year when there's flies, and it's a big one. I'm gonna get rid of it. I think it left my room, but I'm not 100% sure. So we are changing the papers for next month, just because we are changing suppliers, so it will be more of like a paper, which I know a lot of people like anyways. This is still the paper that we've been using, which is kind of like a semi-gloss paper. So for these, you do get 2 of each, so there's 6 total. So you get 2 of these, and I wanted to keep one side kind of lighter and then one side with the pattern. And then this is just very like chic, sophisticated. I think it's a very like anytime TN kit. A lot of ours are like seasonal, which the next one will be seasonal, but I think this is great also for back to school if you want to do something a little bit more chic in your planner and want to keep it like all black. I know a lot of people were saying they wanted to use this for their work planner or their school planner. Then you have the specialty papers, which are in a separate little cello, which all of the papers will be packaged together next month. So you do have 4 specialty papers. There will be 4 next month too. So you do have 1 foiled one. So this is a silver foil and it has triangles on it. It's gonna look super cute, layered over different papers and things like that. These acetates are, I think I might have said Vellum before, but these acetates are thicker and they are like professionally made. I was like making them in shop before, but these are professional and very like thick. They won't like scratch off or anything like that. And everything is sent flat. So these are just some really pretty roses. I love this. This is probably my favorite one. Then you do have 2 vellums. So you have this one, which is just black and white stripes, and this one, which is a really pretty like gray, just kind of like abstract pattern. So those are the specialty papers. Super, super cute. So those are all the papers that you get. Then we do have some journaling cards and tabs. Those are all packaged in a cello together. So let me go ahead and show you guys these. I did do double-sided journaling cards again. I think next month I'm just going to have the girls double-sided. I actually wasn't even going to do girls like cards anymore, but I thought that these just turned out so cute. So you do have 4 girls, well, front and back. So you have a redhead, a blonde, and then you have 2 different ones with gray hair. Super, super cute. And then you do have a bunch of different journaling cards. So there are secret opportunities hidden inside every failure. Money looks better in the bank than on your feet. And then you have should, would, could, did, and I'm building a brand. I'm always busy, which is pretty much me. Go the extra mile, it's never crowded, and make yourself proud. And then those are just extras of those. And then there are some tabs. So you do get the 6 double-sided tabs that are the same as the papers for that. So those are the journaling cards. I am cutting down on journaling cards. Next month there's only 4, and then I'm going to do the fashion girl ones, which actually isn't that much different actually. There is no vellum die cut in there. Let me know if you guys like love the vellum die cuts, or not the vellum die cuts, the vinyl die cuts. Let me know if you guys love those, because I can continue putting them in. I just didn't know if everyone like loved them or not. So you do get some die cuts. So let me go ahead and show you guys those. So these come packaged in a little cello with a backer card. This is kind of like a preview of how everything will be packaged. So this has the little backer card that says Scribble Prints Co. You can use this in your setup, and you do get a ton of die cuts. A ton. And these will be the same as next month. They're still on that kind of like, there's not like, I guess it would be like a semi-gloss, I feel like, because of the texture, but I feel like it's not really glossy, if that makes sense. Like, it's a thick cardstock that's like soft to the touch, but it's not like glossy, like it's gonna glare. So you do get a bunch of different die cuts. I love these so much. I love the like 1 year roses, the girl, the big pen, the different bows, the books. I mean, I love it all, obviously. I picked them out. So this is super cute. And this is exclusive art, like most of our TN kits are. I think the only one that wasn't exclusive art was the Valentine's Day one, which was our first one. The next thing you do get is this super cute little bow, and it does have adhesive on the back, and it does stick for a really long time. Let me actually show you. In my work planner setup, I still have the black, white, and light green. I did do like a full setup on this, and I did put one in here, and look how cute it looks. If you pull it off, it'll obviously pull off, but it's like on there like pretty well. But super cute. I mean, you can use it in different ways, but I just thought on the dashboard, I'll show you guys how I used it this time, but I really love that. I still love that setup. It's probably one of my favorite ones that I've done, but you get one of those. And let me know if you guys like that, because I can keep putting those in as well. You do get 4 wide black paper clips, and then you do get one really cool custom one, which I designed based on my bow, and this is so cute. I'll show you guys it in the spread, but there's like a perfect way to put it on here. Actually, this is backwards, that's why. To make it kind of stick out and look like a bow. And look how cute! It's not going anywhere. But I love it. It's so cute. And it just looks like a little bow. It's less for functional and more for decoration, which I feel like a lot of the things that we do in our TNs are for. But I just think it looks so cute. So you do get one of those as a little extra in there. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys the setup that I did. So that's everything that comes in it. Like I said, there wasn't any vinyl decal this month, but let me know if you guys want those back in the future. And I'm really excited for next month. So that one should be coming out probably the first week of July. So I did set this up in I think it's Slate, and it's by Print Pression. I actually have 3 TNs by this company. The other one that I have is this really beautiful yellow one, which I probably will do another setup on soon. I just think it's so pretty. And I did pair it with the Regina stitching and the Regina stitching and the Regina, I don't know what the other thing's called, the elastic. And then I did get another one. It'll be in a haul soon. I don't remember where I put it, but I did get their like June box. But I really love it. It's vegan leather, so it's really nice. It's pretty affordable, and I'm just like over the moon. So I did set this up kind of as gold accents. You could do gold, you could do silver. So I didn't use the silver vellum just because acetate, because I wanted to do gold. I did pair it with my little back dress pen gems. Over here, I just put a piece of the cardstock, the little bow, which how cute does that look? Just like sitting on the edge there. It's so cute. Then I did put a washi card in here, which is still on my MoreSPC shop. I was actually going to take these down, but I thought that it was like kind of paired perfectly with this. So I figured if you guys wanted to get this before this goes live, you guys can pick up the washi cards. And I still do have washis left, and these are at a discounted price because I wasn't super like happy with the coloring of them, which actually like this one I'm happy with the coloring of. The gold with the gold confetti, I really actually do like the color of that one. So that one's kind of like a fluke. And then Nick's delivering me a drink, some water. So then in the front here, I do have the black little bow, which is on there. It's so cute. I love it so much. I don't know how well it's going to come off as far as like reusing this, but I'll just use this in other black setups, which I don't think will be a problem because I do love black. I did use one of these die cuts, and this is by Heather B Co, and she sent those to me, and I did put one of the girls in the back there. And then I just left the back blank. I thought these actually kind of were cool for like the backing because it has like interest but not like anything crazy. And I really love taking my pockets and kind of like everything. But when it comes to B6, I like everything to be a little bit more like dainty and functional. Not that the pockets aren't functional, but you know what I mean. So then over here, I did bring this in, and this is a gold dotted vellum, just because I wasn't going to be using the silver because I wanted to go full on gold with this. And then I do have the little tab up here that says projects. These gold foiled tabs are from the Planner Society, I think. We will actually have tab stickers in our next TN kit. And then I just attached all of the tabs with some of my washi. Down here is a Clever Gal Crafts bow, and this is on here from my wizard setup, I think, my Harry Potter themed kind of setup. So I just took that out of there and put it in here so it is a little beat up because I used that for a bit. Then on the back, I just put a little journaling card on one of the die cuts. Again, another one of the die cuts. And then I did bring in a Simply Gilded seal bow. So pretty. Have the acetate, the tabs. And then on the back, I did attach a Target pocket, and I did put in one of the sticky notes. And again, these are available on MoreSPC.com still, and I just think it goes really well with like the marble kind of chic theme. And this planner is like so perfect for this. Obviously, I think it would look really good in a black planner, white pant planner. I do think it would also look really cool in like pops of color. I was gonna do it in yellow, but I think it would look really cool in like a pink planner, a green planner, a blue planner, which is just kind of cool. Like, I feel like you could take this out and put it into different planners and it would look really, really neat in all of them. And I think also if you kind of like, let's say I was going to put in the pink planner and pulled in, instead of like maybe gold, doing silver and then pulled in some pink, I think that'd be cool. Then I have another one of those journaling cards with the die cuts. Then I also have the vellum. All the inserts that I have in here are So Much Crafting. Again, more of the journaling cards and the die cuts. And then on the back, I have the other girl. I just think it looks nice to have one of each on each side. And then I just used one of those little clips that comes in the kit with the die cut and the rose. It's just like a little back decor. But I just think this was a quick, easy setup. It maybe took me 20 minutes. And I just really love it. I didn't really want any like top game going on. I just thought this was really like functional and sweet. So that is everything I wanted to show you guys. I will leave down below whenever this is going to be releasing, which will hopefully be within the next couple of days whenever I'm uploading this. And I will put the pricing down below as well, since we did have some like other different kind of items, and the weight will be a little bit heavier than the last one because of all the new items and things like that. Especially these are actually like way heavier than the previous acetate. So that's everything for this little TN reveal setup video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you guys like to see kind of a planner setup so you can kind of see, like, have an idea. Let me know if you guys like these bows for future, and I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.